Alright guys, take your attention in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cruise. Alright guys, so today for your bell work, we're going to start on this here. Independently, not as groups. I need y'all going through and we're going to be reading these sentences and I want you to write them out algebraically. Okay? The first one that you have is multiply n by 4 and then add 3 to your answer. There are 4 different ones here. I want y'all to try your best. If you remember, we did something very similar to this at the beginning of block 1. Okay? So I want y'all to go through and try your best. I'm going to give y'all a couple minutes so I can go ahead and take attendance, and then we're going to go over these together, okay? Yep. Is Javon out today? So guys, this is a really great question. What if you need to put a square into the keyboard? If you press Shift 6, that gives you that caret that we've been using on our graphing calculators. And that's going to be the same thing that you're going to use to be able to put the square in. Bless you. You look just fine. Michael. Evelyn.
Yeah, because nobody not everybody but when we had Colonel never did that.
I mean, it's because they're always looking at going for the
Alright guys, so looking around, it looks like everyone's about done. Does anyone need another minute? Alright, I'm going to give you about 1 more minute to wrap up before we go, and we're going to cover this, okay?
She did it, so that means
But we're going to... All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next part. If you did not finish the last question, that is okay. The next part of this, y'all are actually going to go into your groups and y'all are going to discuss what y'all wrote. So if y'all had different answers, I want y'all talking about how it is that you got those different answers. Be prepared to defend yourself why you have the answer that you have. Don't assume that you're wrong just because you're the only table that has it. I want y'all to go through and talk about it. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Oh. I'm going to turn the volume down.
Wait, go back to the end.
I will.
Wait, what's the mirror? Oh.
The abandoned y'all? Alright guys, I'm going to leave this up on the board. As a group, I want you to go over your answers. Be prepared to share them in class. As long as you're like actually
Teachers, please excuse the interruption. Attention Griffith Stanley. Recently, our governor signed a bill requiring all
guys, let's be respectful of the announcements.
He said this moment of silence gives everyone the opportunity to take time to remember, reflect, meditate, pray, and prepare for the day ahead.
Alright guys, we're doing a moment of silence.
All of our school-wide announcements and join us in observing a moment of silence.
Okay, so this would be really great to ask questions.
Please note that this moment of silence will be followed by a point of mindfulness reflection in order to help facilitate our current social and emotional learning methods. We continue with the mindfulness activity that is being announced and present the rest of our announcements too. Thank you and have a great day, Griffin.
Okay. So since it's an expression, so it's no problem.
Did you cook more?
Do you remember, this would have been about 4 weeks ago, we were discussing the difference between an expression and an equation, right? So, for the expression, which would you have? If we look at the word equation, do you see how it says the word equation? That's like our 10, it's like our 10. Like, so this is an expression. So, you're writing it out. That's an expression. I should talk your way through this with your group here and see if you guys can figure out how to write this out. Okay? I want you to say it just like it's on the screen. Okay? And guys, as a team, I need y'all talking about this. Okay? Like, y'all got a member of your team that's not sure about it? Are the rest of y'all feeling really solid about it? Okay? How are you doing? Yeah? Do y'all both want the same answers? Do y'all agree the answers that y'all got? Is there a possibility that it could be anything different?
Yes, you multiply n by 4 and then add 3 to add to that.
We're limited to
I know the keyboard only does so much, but like if I made it where y'all were just writing on it, like it would have gotten this real fast with this. So like I had to make a decision on which one would be better because it doesn't let me do both. I wish it did.
Don't go for the other.
Okay, so if we take away those limitations of trying to put it in the computer though, like how do y'all feel about how y'all wrote it out though? Okay. Because we're gonna be going through and sharing a little bit, so y'all feel good? That's right.
Bro, I jumped one time.
So the first thing we need
No.
there you go. Okay, so we're writing
Yeah. That's great. I was close.
Pero ¿qué pasa si es algo que no quieres?
Yeah, it's actually similar to Did you hear that? So innovation has been assigned to expressions. Alright guys, I need everyone to raise your hand who is currently wearing any kind of sports jersey, please. Raise it high, 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 high. For
I've been counting every day.
yeah, guys, hands up, raise your Sean, hands up.
If you're wearing a jersey,
For the beer week.
if you want.
I forgot my jersey. I have spirit in me. I just didn't bring it with me.
Yes.
I have the spirit
Not
in me.
inside. Oh, what the what? What the? Alright, one more time, because I see new people with their hands up. Okay, 1, 2,
Thomas, keep your hand up.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, perfect. Thank you guys.
Awesome.
Thank you, Miss Nolan.
Alright guys, so that is going to be time on that. If you enjoy your chance to talk in your group or have a question, that is okay.
That's right, that has to be. She's smart.
Alright guys, so a little bit of what we're doing today. We are recognizing the order of algebraic operations. We are recognizing equivalent expressions. We are understanding the distributive laws of multiplication, division, over addition. So, first thing we're going to do today, this is going to be within your small groups. Alright? If you'll notice here, we have 3 on the left and 3 on the right. The ones that are on our left here, this is it written out algebraically. We have 3 different ones that we want to try to match to our words on the side. Now I will say, if you find one that maybe doesn't quite match, that you can't find one that matches correctly, then instead I want y'all to type in, or sorry, with your pen, draw in what changes needs to happen to it to make it where it would work, okay? I'm gonna give y'all about 5 minutes in your group. I just need y'all to draw lines between the ones that match, and then and if you need to make corrections on any of them, make the correction. Yes? So let's say, for example, if we have one on here that none of these fit.
They don't fit.
Work with your group. Work with your group word, okay? I'm gonna give you about 5 minutes to go through this, and then we're gonna go over them, okay? Which one? Yeah? Let's talk our way through this. Let's try.
Y'all gotta look.
Do you want to get a piece of paper? You want it that way? You go get your piece of paper.
They just look so weird. Multiply n by 10 to the 4. If I do this,